Hey everyone, welcome to FixMaster. Today we'll show you how to delete your watched Facebook videos permanently. Let's get started. To begin, open the Facebook app on your device and log in if you're not already logged in. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen to open the navigation menu. Scroll down in the menu and find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to reveal more options. Under Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings to access your Facebook settings. Scroll down in your settings, and in the Your Activity section, you will find Activity Log. Tap on this option. In your Activity Log, you'll see various categories. From there, swipe left to find Videos Watched section. Find the video you want to delete, then click on the three dots button. A menu will appear from the bottom. Then click on Delete to permanently delete your video. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your watched Facebook videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.